Hey guys, LegalLockPicker here, and today I've got an interesting little lock here from eBay. And the only marking it has on it is a D, and on the back, instead of a C-clip, it has two screws. This just did come in recently, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see very well, but if you notice there's some rust around the cylinder here, and it looks like a different shade around here, right? So we're definitely going to get to the bottom of that. I'm not exactly sure what this is. However, on eBay, the description says oval door lock cylinders, repair replacement for a safety fire exit door lock, key only door. It says the overall dimension is 31 times 30 times 18 millimeters. It says multiple breakaway points for various door thicknesses, and etc., etc. Some of the material inside says aluminum cylinder, copper cylinder, all copper. I'm not exactly sure what that means. I think it just means that there's multiple different materials that are used in this lock. You can see the key is just something I did for just something I'm working on. You can see that the key works. So we're going to pick it, and then we're going to take it apart. See what we can get into, because there's got to be a reason why it is the way that it is. Besides the fact that it's cheap, there's got to be another reason why. There's discoloration, maybe moisture levels, something like that. I don't know. So we're going to use. You can see that I'm trying a different camera angle because I'm going to be disassembling it. But you can see that the keyway, I could throw a couch down. So I'm going to use the bottom of the key here. Going to use a rake. You can see the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6 cuts, but I don't feel that many in here. So let's just try to get this open. Alright, so you see how long that took. Alright. Just give it, maybe it was a fluke. Can you imagine this next time? It's going to take 25 minutes to get into this thing. Come on, you. Okay, got it. Okay, so we've got the key, so we just lock that back up. I don't like all that shaking. Over. Hopefully you can get a decent view. Alright, come on. Okay. So normally we would take a C-clip, remove it, put the key in, use a plug follower. However, that's not going to be how we get it off today. Whoop. Jesus. Tell you what, I'm a mess today, I'll tell you that. get the key here. Alright, so this should just come right off. Okay. Let's get the plug follower. I'm going to turn it just a little bit to the side. Alright, here. Okay. Where are the pins? There they are. Okay, that's just incredible. Look at that. That is incredible. So I'm gonna try to give you a better view once I get this out. Okay, this is okay, so the plug, it just looks like I don't see anything very unique about it other than the gaping holes. So okay, so what about the pins, right? Okay, so all these pins, excuse me, they all are just, excuse me, standard pins. There's really nothing special about them. What I'm going to do is take apart the, well, we've gone this far, I suppose we should. Okay. I have a feeling I'm pretty okay, so they just look like standard springs as well. Whoop. Okay, so you know what? I'm beginning to see a pattern here. They're all the same size. Okay. Okay, so these are all the same size. Absolutely all the same size, all the same type. So. Yep, same thing. Alright, so that's the D here. That's the D safety door lock key and other stuff on eBay. It's a $10 lock, and it's not even that expensive, coincidentally. All the pins are the same size. Not all the pins in the cylinder, but they're pretty close. So, alright guys, feel free to contact me with any questions and comments about the video you see here, or any of my videos. Likewise, if you have any ideas for future videos and would like to suggest a lock picking tool, or have something you'd like for me to review, feel free to contact me with the information below. If you like this video, you really like this video, and you want to see more of my upcoming videos, I'd really appreciate it for, like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram. It's LegalLockPicker on Instagram. I post daily videos of LegalLockPicker and all other lockpicking related things. Alright guys, have a great weekend.